game call button. Today on the 12th of July 2022 we also got inside Saimaankatu 62 staircase A here in Lahti, Finland. And the capacity is 8 versus 260 decimals. Looks like we have a scenic elevator, like real, because it's a nice one. With those 2000 fixtures, much better than SHT.
Yeah.
But of course I have also filmed it and video. What did we have inside?
1996.
This is the early 1996. But still,
Yeah.
Like, but still beautiful with 9 floors. The sooner is only 1964. We expected it the next year, 2023. I'll film to that side first. But it was probably very close to have received Swedish one, but
yeah.
Still. And for sure it's built like a scenic one.
Spektiitpaikkivaisuutta mietin vaikka
Red out of the door. They took an inspiration from Otis, pizza and LM here.
Yeah.
That's very interesting. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope we can get to the Staircase B later, but the Staircase B probably is not a scenic one.
Yeah.
Or I didn't see it, but it's probably not scenic.
Yeah.
But still it's interesting because it might also have the same type of rear door arrangement.
Yeah.
Like this, like an LM with it. So.
That's